Hi, I'm Cheng, one of your English trainers from Fluent English Academy.
Hi, I'm Esther, one of your spoken English teachers at Fluent English Academy.
Ahumdagi tha taruk phoki manungsida kamaina English se fluent waina confident waina ngangadagi haibadu training taunabagi akhoi course ama hangzare masida mayam join toubiraga akhoi English se taminase adumasi na kana gadoi se akhoi interview set pa oiro natragana akhoi aviation industry da changimba oiro students oiro professionals oiro everybody is welcome and we'll be training you to speak English very confidently and very fluently within a very short span of time.
Hi, I'm Esther, one of your spoken English teachers at Fluent English Academy. We have an incredible team of qualified instructors who are dedicated in helping you achieve your fluency goals. Our highly anticipated 3 and 6 month courses will be starting soon, and we assure you that by the end of the program, you will speak English with confidence and ease. Whether you're looking to improve your communication skills for daily activities, interviews, competitive exams, or professional settings, we've got you covered. But that's not all. Our courses also prepare you for specialized areas like aviation, cabin crew, flight attendants, hospitality, hotels and resorts, teachings, business and corporate communications, public speaking, customer service, international travels, and tourism.
Hi, ma'am. I Cheng ne. I English trainer ne. Fluent English Academy gi. Karigumba akhoi gi instructions in biba taragadi tha ahumdagi tarupok manung the effective communicator ama woi bagi akhoi na guarantee tawba ngamgani aduga akhoi na ahan mada check tawjagani sagi level do karai da leibage basic level da leibra intermediate oibra advanced oibra dugi matungin akhoi na somgi skill do hena advanced oina ba hena hegatna ba akhoi na train tarakani aduga akhoi within 3 to 6 months manung sida adombu effective communicator ama ohenba ngamgani haina guarantee tawgani. And I'm here to tell you a secret that we're going to open a new course for spoken English right here, and we'll be helping you out to learn English. There's a very simple way and very effective way, and it's going to be within a span of 3 months that will ensure to make you speak English fluently and confidently. If you follow our instructions to the teeth, and we will be able to guarantee you to speak English confidently within 3 to 6 months for sure. Of course, we'll be looking at your capability and your English level in the beginning, and then once we know your English level, whether you're in the basic or intermediate or advanced, we'll be able to give you more value, and we'll be able to train you to become a very effective communicator. Okay, one of the very secrets that most of us ignore is that we don't have to learn something very difficult, or we don't have to learn difficult words. We don't have to by heart through the dictionary. We don't have to go through the dictionary, learn word meanings and all that. And we don't have to go through translations and learn every word or sentence, each of the sentence that we want to speak. But rather than that, we will be concentrating on what is our strength, rather than talking about things that which may not be relevant. So first of all, we'll be talking about what we commonly deal with, okay, and about ourselves. The basic thing that we need to know is ourselves, okay. Be yourself, know yourself, and if you know what you're doing and what you talk normally, and what are the things that you do normally, what are the words that we use normally on our day-to-day life, I think that will make you speak English more fluently and easily, rather than concentrating on subjects which are very tough or difficult and which are not common to us. If we concentrate on the areas where we are already, familiar with, maybe talking about a family, talking about yourself, or talking about our daily routine, or talking about things and events that we came across our lives, that will make it easier for us to speak English in a very fluent way. Akoina translate tauraga wahi natraga sentences in translate tauraga simpha phabi mahutta akoina thuna English se ngangba fluent wina ngamgadaba mawong se akoi isani sabu khangjaba masini yam maru ori se akoina toina tawganba thabak toina haiganba wahi toina sizinaba thabak adudagi se akoina thengna khiba awa nungai gi wari masi se hana akoina ngang ba tamakanda yam thuna amasung yam laina akoina English se ngang ngam gani madugi mahote akoina translation da base toba natraga na akoina atopa sentence translate torga koi gi chimpha phana hona ba dudi matam kuina changani aduna isana isabu hana khangna ba hona ba masina hena thuna akoina English se master toba ngam gani masi English ka ki wana te masi loan khudi makini aina hana dagi khangaga leirba wahi wata adagi se subject haibitare masi hana akoina kamaina English da phongdokani masi hana tamakanda thuna English se master toba ngam gani. Regarding accents, people talk about American accent and British accents, right? But what I want to say is if you're speaking English, well, we have British English, we have American English, and then again, we have variations in British English and American English because I know, because I've been working in the BPO industry for more than 6 years, and I came across a lot of accents. Even in London, there are so many variations of accents. It's completely, I wouldn't say it's completely useless, but we mustn't go for accents at the moment for the right accent. I think if we can speak a neutral accent where everybody and anybody can understand, I think that is the best accent that we can get. So first, we will try to clear our accent, reduce mother tongue influences, and then get a neutral accent. I mean, if we can get a neutral accent, anybody and everybody can understand, whether it be the Americans or British. So following a neutral accent, I think that is the best way for us. Akoina English tama matam da accent ki matang the British accent aduga American accent haidana yam common way ngang nai adubu ai isama sahi taruk ki mathakta BPO industry, call center industry, international call centers that have tauzaruba matam da ina thina give experience ki matung inadi koin accent ki British accent oisuno American accent oisuno madugi tamna bhona ba masi kya mathau ta dena khanjai madugi mahuta neutral accent haibidi mipung khudi mana British oigera American oigera natraga Canadian oigera makoina follow tawangamba understand tawangamba neutral accent si sinaragadi ekoi soidana mai pakani aduga some harga accent British accent harga su ekoi except say BBC or Queen's accent ekoi mayama lady masi khakta nate receive pronunciation so hai nei Queen's accent se aduga royal accent so hai nei adu masi koina masi khakta nate UK da ngana rise British accent hairagadi adu ki matik yam khre London da khakta da koi ki accent makhal yam thina lai khre aduga America da so koi ki southern accent northern accent state khudingi accent sing je adum khenai adu madu da koina tamuba matam da loiba nai ba natte madugi mahuta koina communication se fazahan ge aduga mai pakwa mi mo wege hairagadi koina neutral accent haibadi mipum khudi man understand tawangam ba accent se masi sinaragadi hena mai pakpa gi lamben da jangsan mo wege na khalle. The course that we're going to follow is not confined only for students or to a specific group of people. You may be aspirers of, say, cabin crew, or maybe you would like to become air hostesses. You could be teachers, or you could be professors in colleges and universities. Here, there are no distinction of age. We are here to train you all and to help you become more successful. And we do not limit somebody like according to their age or according to their profession or their degree. So anybody and everybody who's aspiring to learn English, who would like to speak English confidently, are invited, and anybody and everybody can join us. Akhoi se professional course ni aduna masdai sida satragi haiba laite aduga oza oibagi haiba laite adom oza oibirambi ai school da oza oibirambi ai college da university da oibirambi ai adubu kaigumba English se phajana ngangba tamningba oiragadi adum join tawi yagani akhoi da degree adu oigadabani natragana satra oigadabani haiba aduguma khenaba thoidona kasu thamjade adu onna English se hemina si haibadu adu kaktani. So please enroll and get your seats, because we have a very limited seats and we'll be starting very soon, and our course will commence very soon. So please, all of you are welcome to enroll and enjoy the benefits of Fluency English Academy. course se Kwakaithel Tidim Ground Kwakaithel Imphal College asigi area swai manak se tawgani aduna yam thuna enroll tawnaba honabiro aduga koisu yam thuna course se haunaba tawjaragani seats limited oigani aduna enroll tawnaba honabiro athu matamda.
Enroll today and take the first step toward mastering English for success in any field. Don't miss out. Join our spoken English classes now and transform your future. Thank you.
Okay, take care.